Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, DCN module, thermal module, and motherboard. Removal. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the thermal sensor board to the top cover. Lift the thermal sensor board off the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the thermal sensor board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.